race once again. And the race is on. Chase Charlie, Lady Atasha, and running by the rally Solar Power. It's now Lady Atasha, Senor Vicente from the outside, and running by the rally Solar Power. Chase Charlie, winning bid, is racing in fifth. Rushing up is Mr. Makati. Security Spirit down on the inside. Entry number 6, Bangge. A long way back to Morning. Nasa Rampage. There's spill number 3. Aras took a spill. Rounding the far turn, Lady Atasha. Winning bid is on the outside. Senor Vicente. Lady Atasha by a long neck. Winning bid is running in second. Moving up is Chase Charlie, Senor Vicente. As they race the final corner, Lady Atasha by ahead. Winning bid from the outside. As they race the last 250, Lady Atasha. This time by a length and a half. Winning bid is running in second. And Solar Power from the outside is Mr. Makati. And nearing the finish line, Lady Atasha. And finally, Lady Atasha, winning bid Bangge. Close, Mr. Makati, Solar Power. And for your super sa is Senor Vicente.
Okay, crossing the wire first, top choice.